So when this thought came to our mind, the establishment of MIT TBI, we went to Honorable Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, who is also the advisor to the MIT group of institutions. Myself, Dr. Bharat Chaudhary, Dr. Pujari, we went to him and sir, very surprisingly he said, I want to sign an MOU with the MIT group of institutions and I want to become the part of MIT TBI. Who said this? Dr. Vijay Bhatkar himself, the Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Dr. Vijay Bhatkar said, I am there with you to support this MIT TBI. So today we'll be witnessing the 5-minute video address of Dr. Vijay Bhatkar. Address please.
When the new century was dawning, 21st century.
For his video address. Moving ahead, now I will be inviting the chief guest for today's function. But let me introduce Honorable Mr. Kamlesh Pandey. And BTech and MTech from IIT Bombay in Mechanical Engineering. Kamlesh Pandey was Vice President R&D and Innovation with Thermax, Head of Technology Management with Mahindra & Mahindra and Chief R&D with Force Marshal. And currently he is the Chief Consultant with the Force Marshal. His areas of expertise are heat transfer, heat exchangers, thermal engineering, energy conservation and management, new products development, R&D management, knowledge management, innovation management, collaborative research, IPR and industry institute interaction. He was deputed to Moscow by Government of India on MHD program. He coordinated the Indo-US conference in Washington on CFC-free refrigerators and was also on the USAID sponsored team to study operations of the US energy companies. He had been to Japan to study their intellectual property system. He is a member of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, Fellow of the Institution of Engineers India, and a life member of the Indian Society of Heat and Mass Transfer. He has been a senior member of the American Association of Energy Engineers and Vice President of ISHMT. His name has been included in the latest editions of Marquis Who's Who in Science and Engineering, Marquis Who's Who in the World, and the Contemporary Who's Who. Friends, put your hands together and please welcome Mr. Kamlesh Pandey.
I think we have passed 12 o'clock, so I'll say good afternoon. And Professor Karad, all the dignitaries on dais, faculty member, and most importantly, the young students who are going to be forming an essential and core part of this technology business incubation center. To tell you frankly, I am not at all surprised that MIT has started this incubation center, because MIT has been the first institute which initiates all the spectacular initiatives in Pune. So to that extent, I think I am also overwhelmed to see that this is another bright initiative started by MIT. Everybody has said, I am only going to add a couple of sentences. Like Professor Karad has said, you know, when we start a new initiative, there has to be a very tangible, achievable target that somebody has to set. And I was very happy that he has already set a target when he said that he will be happy if MIT institutes can produce a Nobel laureate. So if I'm going to be a part of this TBI, I think the ultimate target for this TBI is to produce a Nobel laureate, and all our plans should be chalked out according to meeting that particular thing. So I think this is something which only a visionary can do that, and I'm very happy that it has been done. Couple of things that I would like to say is that, you know, innovation is not related to any specific field. Innovation is technology related, innovation is socially, everywhere innovation is there, and one doesn't have to be a PhD in engineering from IIT or Stanford. Anybody can innovate. To that extent, I would say for making a class innovation and technology incubation center, I think it should be all inclusive. That means students, faculty, even the lab assistant should be made a part of this, because ideas can come from anywhere and those ideas should be nurtured. So if I am going to be involved with this at the request of Professor Pandey, what I would say is that second aim of this technology incubation center is to develop a developed incubation center in a developing country like India, and that only can confirm or convert developing country like India into a developed country. So the second aim of this particular TBI should be to make India competitive and a developed country, and I think to that extent we all should be working in that. And in order to make it happen, like I said, it should be all inclusive. That's all I want to say, and I will be very happy to be associated. And if we meet that aim, the most important thing that I think is that we can convert MIT into another MIT, and according to me, the MIT, another converted MIT, should stand for Magnificent International and Top Ranking Institute, MIT.